So in this section we are going to learn about creating tables, how we are going to create tables. The table which we want to create now is of the kind I am showing you. We have the raw one. There are 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there, and in the first, but we will code it as we have 4 rows and 4 columns. So let's see the code, how we are going to code it. We have to create one file. Let's make a new file named learntables.html. tables.html. So this is the file. How we going to write doc type HTML, closing opening HTML tag, HTML, and the closing HTML. Inside this we have the title, and the title name will be learning tables. After this title will come under the head section. After the head we have the body part. Inside the body we have to create table now. So table is created under the table tag. So this tag name is table. Tag name is table. We have to create rows. And how many rows are there? We have 4 rows are there. So for creating rows we use tr tag, table rows. So we have to create 4 tr tags. Just we have to copy paste it for 4 times for creating 4 tr tag, as we have 4 rows are there. Control V, Control V, Control V. These are the created rows, and inside these rows we have to fill the data, right? So in the first row, talking about the first row is first column is empty. Then in the second column we have the table data. So for table data we use the td tag, right? How many td tag we have to use? Since 4 columns are there, so we have to use 4 times. Inside each row there will be 4 td tag will be there. And the data will be inside this td tag. First data, nothing is there. Second we have column 1. column 1, second data is column 2, third data is column 3, right? Column 3. So we have successfully done our first row, completed our first row. Now come to the second row and fill the data that we have. What are the data? First we have row 1, right? So row 1. After that we have cell 11, cell 11. After that we have this is table rows, right? Inside the table data we have to write of this kind. So we will copy the table data of the first row because the syntax is going to be same. Control C. Inside each row we are going to have the data. Control V. This under first tier tag. Control V and then Control V. Now changing the values. This is the second row. The table data will be first is row 1. This is cell 11. This is cell 22. Cell 12, sorry. This is cell 13. So this we have completed the second row. Similarly we have to go to the third row. Third row we have first we have row 2. Here we have cell 21, cell 21, cell 22, then we have cell 23, cell 23. Now we will move to the last row. In the last row we have row 3. Then we have cell 31, cell 31, cell 32, then we have cell 33. So this is how we have completed all the rows. Now we are using the Control S and open in browser Let's see how it's got reflected. So as you can see, we have successfully created the tables which we want, right? So now you can see that the name column 1 here, column 1, column 2, column 3, these names are not bold, right? And the raw 1, raw 2, raw 3, these are also not bold. So for making bold, we use the table header tag, right? Instead of td tag here that we have used, we can use the table header tag. So whichever element we want to make it bolder, we can use th in place of td. So let's check it. td is replaced by th. Just save it using Ctrl S, and now refresh the page. See the difference here. You can see now column 1 has changed to bold as compared to earlier, right? We can make bold using another method also, by using the b tag, but th tag is more comfortable. So let's add th tag to all the rows and all the columns, like column 1, column 2 and column 3. Text should be in bold, and raw 1, raw 2, raw 3 text should be in bold. So we are replacing td with th in all the column 1, column 2 and column 3. Let's replace it th. Now you can see the difference here. All the columns are now changed to the bold. Now come to the row. We have th, we have th, here we have th, here also th, and then come to raw 3, here also th, and here the last th. Save it using Ctrl S, and then refresh the page. See the difference. Raw 1, raw 2, raw 3 are also in bold. So we have, till now we have learned how to create table. We use the table tag. For creating rows we use tr, and for filling the data inside the rows we use td. And if we want to represent that data as header, then we use th for making that text or data bolder. Now one thing is missing here. There are no borders in this table. We want to add borders. For adding borders inside the table tag, we have one attribute named border, and we assign value depending on thickness we want. Suppose the thickness we want of the border is 2, then you can see, save it and refresh the page. See, the border is here. If we want border equal to 4, value we given is 4, save it. See the difference, the value between 2 and 4. It will be more thicker, border will be more thicker and bolder. More bolder will be there. So this is about the border. And what if we want to add the name to the table? So for giving name to the table, we use caption. Caption tag is used for giving name to the table. caption, we have to write just after the table tag for the name we want, and the name we want is, suppose we want name is demo table. Just see it in the browser, Control S, refresh the page. Now you can see the name is added, demo table. So in this lecture we have learned to create table and how to give more importance to any text in the table using the th tag, how to create the borders of the table using the border attribute, and how to name the table using the caption tag, and it must be written after the table tag. So this is how we create table. Thank you very much.